they're going to be surprised. They're going to see something they have probably not really actually seen before. That's all I can say. I'm Jim Guthrie, lead tech on the 2025 Porsche Restoration Challenge. We're going to interpret a 1972 914 1.7 engine model, 5-speed transmission. The map on a restoration is predetermined. Individualization, start with a blank sheet of paper and keep it Porsche and then have fun. We've done it in the past, got opinions from employees within the company, where we had a meeting and sat down and said, this is what we'd like to see. We kind of did that this year also, but then we also put it out in the public and said, what do you guys like to see? So given the input from all angles, it's the first time we've done this, and I think it's a cool idea. This one's going to be fun, I think, because our plans are pretty unique. We are doing some modifications to the car that will help improve the car's appearance and ability to achieve what we're after. People's reaction when they see what we've done and what we're going to do with this that's going to be the fun part.